Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how audio eraser works on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, let me open up our Fold 7. As you guys can see, here we have it. Now, I wanted to show you how the audio eraser looks like. So basically, it reduces everything from the video. So for example, when you're talking to somebody or you're recording a vlog, then you guys can use audio eraser to leave only the voice in it. So you guys will get rid of people talking behind or anything. So here's how we're gonna do that. I am going to go into the video. Now I'm gonna turn off those sounds. They sound pretty bad, trust me. And let's see if it actually clears out the sound. So as you guys can see, now I'm talking and now you guys can probably hear this. So let me just turn it off and now stop recording. So here, let's just go here and see. Now you guys can probably hear this. Yes, let me click erasing right here. And now let's see if it changed. Clears out the sound. So as you guys can see, now I'm talking and it works perfectly fine. So this is basically how you guys can do that. You will see this little icon right here and it works well for everything. The only flaw is when you're talking and there's something going on in the background, then of course you guys will hear it definitely, but it still works perfectly fine. And I think this deserves a bit more attention. I think this is the best function on the phone. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.